It's Jermaine Ryan. What's today's date? Is Black History over with? Is it? No, it's not. The idea was given to me that I should start doing some Black American history. And I felt that what better time to do it than March, because the history doesn't stop, the lessons doesn't stop. The people that we may not have known about are still people that have existed at some point in time. So this is going to be a new segment that I'm starting with just tiny pieces about Black American history. It will be something that I share monthly, a person, be it from the past or someone that, now that is doing things and making their own way, or just someone that I think should be highlighted. There will be a piece of knowledge that I discover or know that I am going to share about someone that affects or is a part of Black American history. Now, because we are coming off of Black History Month, of course, the thing that's all in the uproar now and that everyone's talking about is the new movie about Madam C.J. Walker called Self-Made that's going to be coming out on Netflix. I don't know the date. I didn't look for the date. All I know is that Octavia Spencer is starring in it. Love. Along with Blair Underwood and Tiffany Haddish. And a few other people are going to be in it as well. But there was a group that I'm in on Facebook, and I shared the preview for it. And someone commented like, hey, well, this is really great, but there was someone that actually started doing this before Madam C.J. Walker, and it was my cousin, and she shared some knowledge that I didn't know about, and it was about Annie Malone, who after she was married became Annie Minerva Turnbo Malone. She was, and stuff is always gonna, different stories when it comes to people of those times, but if not the first, one of the first African American women millionaires in the country. But small piece of information about her that I'm gonna share in this little tidbit called Black History More Than Just a Month. I hope that's not a name already out there. Then I might be changing this self-titled thing. But right now we're calling it Black History More Than Just a Month. I really hope. I might not. I don't know. Black History every month. I think that might be. I don't know. If I say something and it's somebody else's title, let me know in the comments below. But right now, I think I'm going to go with Black History. A piece every month. A piece every month. Maybe that'll set my little title aside. Annie Malone. She was born in Illinois, and her parents were slaves. So her parents died when she was young. She was raised by her older sister. She was 10 of 11. Similar to how my mom is. My mom is not 10 of 11, but it's 11 of them. Her sister raised her. She was in school. She took an interest in chemistry and Black women's hair and the opportunities that we had. So her, along with her sisters, as she grew up, took deeper interest into Black women's hair, and it came to a point where she invented a product. The product was the Great Wonderful Hair Grower. And part of what moved her to come out with this was, seeing the things that, Black people had to use in order to maintain their hair. Fats and lye and potatoes, bacon fat, grease fat. And she noticed how those things were damaging women's hair and scalps. And as we all know, the scalp is where it all starts. So she took it upon herself to create a product that would work for Black women's hair, that would nurture the scalp, nurture the hair, and for the times would actually help to straighten it. She invented this, and from there, her success became a growing thing where she, opened a school where at least 75,000 women went to the school, graduated, got degrees, went on to have their own shops, and went on to be stylists. Like, You know, she helped fund the schools. She sat on the boards of orphanages. She gave to Howard University. Like, she did a lot with the millions that she had. Her story is really, really, really great. She lived to be in her 80s, where she later died of a stroke, but such a great story. You know, I'll have everything linked below so that you can read deeper into her story and get more detail, but just a name to put out there so that, like, I didn't know this. You know, there may be someone else that did not know of her or has not heard of her. And from what I saw the preview of these Madam C.J. Walker movies, that there is going to be a mention of her. It doesn't really go into depth in it just with the preview, but she is going to be a part of the story because she was a part of Madam C.J. Walker's story. Madam C.J. Walker worked for her before she was Madam C.J. Walker that we all know now. So she's very important to our history. She is the reason why the entrepreneurs, a lot of the inventors, a lot of the people that have products can do this now. She paved that way. So just a small segment that I wanted to share with her. Make sure you look down below in the comment section and click on the link about her. And even still, if you find out a little bit more than even what you read, please let me know. All right, that was it for Black History, a piece every month. I think I'm gonna go with that. Let me know what you think. Until the next piece of Black History, I'm Jermaine Ryan, signing out. I don't like it. So, until the next piece of Black American history,